Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Instagram account. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, open up Instagram app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Instagram app on your mobile phone, you guys have to tap on the below right corner of your profile icon. So after tapping on it, you have to tap on top right corner of options. Here you have to tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on setting and privacy, you guys have to tap on the first option, which is account center. Here you have to tap on personal details. So after tapping on personal details, you guys have to tap on the last option, which is account ownership and controls. So after tapping on account ownership and controls, you guys can see in the second option, which is deactivation or deletion. So you just have to tap on it. And here you have to select the account which you want to deactivate. Because I want to deactivate my Instagram account, so you guys have to select the Instagram account. So here you guys have two options. First one is deactivate account and second one is delete account. So here we want to deactivate our account. So you guys have to select the first option or select the second option according to your need. So basically deactivation is a temporary method of shutting down the account and the deletion is the permanent way of deletion the account. In this way you guys can in the deactivation account settings you guys can temporarily delete your account, and in delete account section you guys can permanently delete all of your posts, followers and anything. So I'm selecting the first one because I want to deactivate Instagram account, and you guys have to tap on continue. So after tapping on continue, you guys have to just put the password of your account and Instagram will deactivate your account. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.